How to edit and export for TikTok. To begin, I added a clip to my timeline that I want to export for TikTok. Click anywhere in your timeline to select it, then go to Sequence Settings. Set the frame size to 1080 by 1920 so it would be 9 by 16 and click OK. Now select your clip and timeline, then go to Effect Controls panel and increase scale so black borders disappear, and if your subject is not in the frame, change position values as well, but mine is OK. Now click anywhere in your timeline, then press Ctrl+M to open Export menu. Set the format to H.264 and preset to match source high bit rate or adaptive high bit rate. Next, you can choose where you want to save the video. Make sure video and audio are both checked, then go to Video tab. Scroll down and make sure Render at maximum depth is checked. Go down and under bitrate settings, set encoding to VBR2 pass. If you want higher quality but more size, increase target bit rate, and if you want lower quality and lower size, decrease it. At last, make sure use maximum render quality is checked and press export. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.